Welcome into the Oracle Digital Manufacturing Guided Tour. My name is Eric Prevost, and I will drive you all along the manufacturing journey from technology to business applications and from innovation to service activities. In this tour, we will introduce you the Oracle vision on what is a modern end-to-end manufacturing experience platform. This platform helps manufacturers to innovate and lead their market for the next 15-20 years. Then we will guide you through the Oracle Digital Thread approach, from innovation to service, to support end-to-end efficiency and agility improvement capabilities. Now let's start this great journey. First, Oracle Manufacturing Platform is a modern cloud technology platform. Oracle has invested on many new technologies to build a new generation of industrialized digital platform that we are calling OCI Gen 2. This new generation platform is composed by 5 key areas. A foundation provides by design a high level of data sovereignty and cybersecurity for our customers. They are single owner of their data. They can even decide about the location, and Oracle cannot see any customer data. Customers can also deploy the Oracle Cloud on their own data centers and locations. And of course, we are investing a lot on implementing Green Cloud with 100% of our EMEA data centers using renewable energies. The second key capability is a constant innovation. No need to do any IT platform upgrades anymore. Every quarter, Oracle includes in your existing subscription the latest available technologies and innovations that are used by our customer and partners communities. The third key area places the data management with manufacturing data models, analytics, industrial IoT, data science, and AI at the heart of the platform. The purpose is to provide to every people from operational to executive persona an easy and self-service way to get insight from every data. Wherever the source, shop floor, connected product, containers, social networks, weather, and many others, and use this data to take the best business decision. The fourth area is to provide a toolbox composed by more than 100 innovative tools like chatbots, virtual machines, mobile applications, IoT, machine learning to design and build your own differentiating digital solutions. Those capabilities are useful for enriching your product for the market and for your internal use to improve your employees' experience, safety, and performance. The fifth area is to provide an end-to-end business applications portfolio from HCM to finance through innovation, customer experience, manufacturing, supply chain, and services to break data and processes silos across enterprise. The goal is to help people to get better visibility of company data, KPIs, challenges, and decisions in a holistic way. After this tour, I'm inviting you to get more information and customer feedbacks about our vision and platform into the Platform for Business Innovation and unlock the Continuous Innovation Kiosk. Now let's make a tour of the kiosk showing our key modern digital thread capabilities for manufacturing. The existing IT systems have been designed 30 years ago for organizing companies around strict processes and siloed way to optimize activities. Today, the new era of businesses request to enable new key values like collaborative intelligence, data intelligence, environmental sustainability, agility, flexibility, adaptability, and fast innovation. Oracle has designed a brand new business platform using cloud technologies to deliver those values into a unique platform, breaking silos across enterprises and ecosystems. When you will visit the kiosk named Develop, you will discover our connected digital innovation platform. We can highlight 3 key innovations on this kiosk. Oracle is making high-performance computing simulations affordable to every type of companies to build their products. Let's listen how Altair is using Oracle HPC for manufacturing design.
Altair is a company I founded in 1985 with a vision to use simulation to drive design and decision making. Through the years, it's evolved from validation studies replacing test to moving simulation up front to almost synthesized designs. Now that we move to the cloud, the opportunity to really do unlimited size studies just open the possibilities up.
GPUs compared to CPUs have a massive compute power, and if you develop software which is designed to be executed on GPUs, you get a massive speed up. Altair is developing software which is designed to be executed on GPU hardware. As an example, we have Altair Ultra FluidX, our solution for external aerodynamics. A fully detailed car can be run in a transient mode overnight. And this also opens up the door to talk to the design studios and bring the virtual wind tunnel to the designer's desk. External aerodynamics produces gigabytes of results, and you don't want to transfer these results to your local machine. One big advantage of the cloud is that you can leave the big data on the cloud itself. This means your laptop can be pretty light, but the massive data stays in the cloud. You can sit in the plane or in a subway and still monitor your run, and you can even display your results because we just transfer a very thin slice through your flow domain to your local tablet, for example.
The second key innovation is integrating a feedback loop from your connected product into the innovation processes to fix issues in the product engineering stage. In this demo, you can see that we are using data from the IoT analytics, directly capturing data from the wind turbines, looking about all the issues that we had, using the artificial intelligence to identify anomaly into the vibrations, and using those anomalies to connect that to the engineering tool and go to the bill of material of the equipment and see how we can fix the issue directly at the engineering stage for the next generation of product. In our tool, you can also go to the quality management to have a 360 degrees view of your product and drilling down into all the quality issues that you had collaboratively with other people, look about the different product where you had a lot of vibrations, look about the different activity that you had on those product, service or part replacement. You can look about the partners numbers that have been involved in those vibrations and in those replacements, and then use this data to correlate that with your customer portfolio and your global portfolio of wind turbine, and to identify if there are some specific genealogy aspect of your wind turbines and on the issue that you had on the wind turbines. The second area of digital trade innovation is on planning, with the integrated business planning and execution solution that you can find on the kiosk named Plan. The IBPX approach developed on this kiosk provides an end-to-end planning and analytics capabilities to define, plan, and meet long, medium, and short-term performance objectives. With IBPX, our customers are able to run a closed loop that eliminates business decision latency using advanced technology like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and IoT to detect unexpected events affecting the company's future performance. Let me show you very quickly how IBPX provides capability for the CFO to take business decisions. The CFO can open planning system to compare the actual versus forecast and select the specific topic where he wants to predict the future. In this case, he is selecting the net margin and then run the data prediction tool based on actual versus forecast calculation on the net margin. You see that the trend of the future margin is clearly not good. So now he will use a much more accurate tool with AI prediction using the double exponential smoothing method to make an intelligent forecast on FY21 based on the 3 years historical data. And now he has a good vision of the range of potential trends with prediction accuracy. The second case is using the planning tool to look about the exceptions and all the unexpected events and see how they are correlated to the different planning tool that we have into the system. So you can see there that we have multiple demand planning exceptions and multiple supply planning exceptions that we can use to correlate them with the planning activities and search into the detail what are the impact of the different unexpected event into the different planning and identify, of course, the way to fix it. The third key topic is smart manufacturing that you can find on the kiosk named Messe. Oracle has completely redesigned its manufacturing, adding new modern capabilities like IoT, 360 degrees monitoring, AI predictive maintenance to support current manufacturing activities. But more than just enriching existing manufacturing models, we natively implemented new best practices capabilities to support new manufacturing business models, like micro factories and automated factories, with, for instance, copy-paste work definition capabilities and embedded digital instruction. We are also supporting hybrid manufacturing models, supporting process, discrete, make-to-stock, and personalized manufacturing, make-to-order, and engineering to order into a single platform. All of this around a full set of technologies from machine connectivity to analytics and business applications. In this small demo, you can see that we are monitoring all our factories across the world, comparing the KPIs across the factories, across the production lines, across the products themselves, and look into the detail about where they are, what are their efficiency, how many machines are currently in use, and look into the detail of every factory to see what's happening in the shop floor, what's happening in the different operations, and look about which kind of operation is late against the production plan. This is what we are calling the full digital twin for manufacturing, where we are bringing all the data from shop floor directly to the business applications. In this quick demo, you can see a full automated factory that is controlled by our cloud solutions. You can place an order, select the cube, select the engraving that you want to get on the cube, and everything is fully automated there. You have the quality management, the identification of the product, the delivery of the product. All of this is fully automated directly from cloud applications. You can see more directly in the kiosk, and you can have more detail about how we are doing it. We cannot leave the Messe kiosk without talking about predictive maintenance and AI capabilities for quality using machine learning systems. Oracle built a very specific technology named MSET2, detecting critical equipment failure and quality issue for complex machines and high-speed production line. The fourth area is on supply chain with digital logistic and zero latency supply chain solutions that you can find in the Deliver and Collaborate kiosk. The supply chain is a key part of the value, and Oracle integrated several innovative technologies to address inbound and outbound supply chain challenges. The first topic that we can highlight is around monitoring transportation and getting real-time information about delivery time, lost, fraud, or product issue during the transportation. Using a mix of new IoT fleet monitoring platform and our transportation and warehouse management systems in the cloud, we can now get a 360 visibility on every goods transportation around the world to adjust supply, manufacturing, or customer relationships based on accurate delivery information. With track and trace and collaboration, we are talking about traceability and trust, two of the new big challenges of our current complex supply chain world. To address those challenges, Oracle built a solution based on blockchain, IoT, and AI capabilities to monitor the supply chain steps across all the parties involved, from mining to recycling or field to plate, depending on the industries. Let me show you a brief overview of the process that we have. The first one is that we can place an order directly on the web application, and we will see that this order will be recorded into a full end-to-end traceability into our intelligent track and trace application, where we can see everything from the sales order to the delivery at the end. Everything in one platform, which is a blockchain platform where all the parties are involved to record information into the system. The second part is using the IoT applications to monitor the trucks. So you can see there that we have a full monitoring of every transportation activity. And for instance, we can identify that we have a separation between the truck and the trailers for the refrigerated product. And we can potentially identify that we will have a big issue and a strong incident to manage directly from there. Another example here where we are mixing the IoT platform for monitoring the goods that we have in the truck and the traceability platform to record those kind of incidents into the full end-to-end supply chain process. So we have a truck which is moving a goods directly to the airport. We are generating a vibration inside the truck and on the product that we have inside the truck, and you will see that we have a full traceability of every steps of issue, and we are able to drill down into the detail of which type of vibration we got in the product that have been transported by this truck. Final highlight among many other Oracle innovations, let's talk about services. We know that service activities are drastically changing either on field service excellence and new service business models. Improving customer experience with service is now a critical activity to diversify revenues and improve customer loyalty. But the challenge is how to provide services at the right price, right cost, and right effort to make it a valuable business and not just a marketing or sales support activity. Specifically to address those challenges, Oracle has developed a unique solution that delivers in a consistent way field service excellence and new service subscription businesses with service logistics, all of that natively integrated with your sales and financial operation and plannings. Very quickly, you can see there that we have a full platform with analytics that can consolidate every type of service information, from location of service, the return of investment, the revenue, the SLA, the maintenance activity, and all the field service activity into one place to be able to correlate information and identify how you want to improve your service activity, improve your customer satisfaction, and of course, improve your margin and revenue on this business. Thank you very much for your time and participation to this tour. We are inviting you to spend more time on our virtual kiosks and discuss with our industry experts, watch our customer feedbacks, get more details about our innovations and solutions, and see how our partners are enriching Oracle products to build great innovations on the market. I wish you a great time on the virtual Hannover Messe event and hope to see you very soon.